All over again on the mornings, the Tropical Gems, the tropicalgems.com. Used to the Messiah for the Duncan. Wow, why is it my mic sounds a little low? But beautiful, good morning to you. Great to have you all with me, man. I'm so grateful, so thankful. We do this wonderful broadcast every weekday morning, 6 until 10 a.m. You spread the word and tell your mamas, your papas, and everyone about us, your nieces, your nephews, that said, hey, this crazy guy's on the radio. But he got a lot of information that he packs and he puts in. Word of the day is aspire. Means to have a strong desire, ambition to achieve something beautiful, something magical. No matter where you start, always aspire to reach higher and make your dream a reality now. All your dreams for that matter. Inspirational message of the day today. Every journey begins with a single step. A single one, two, three steps. Just keep on trying. Just keep on moving. Don't let fear hold you back from the opportunity that awaits you out there. Whether you're applying for that visa, right? Starting a new job or moving to a new country. Remember, courage in action creates the future. Ladies and gentlemen, these are 7 facts that you should know. Every day we do 7 factual things that one should know. Hey, Vanny, good morning to you. Over there in New Britain, Connecticut. Taste of Jamaica at 672 Arch Street. Now, I've driven this place. I know this place very well. But I somehow missed this spot. 20 years of providing quality Jamaican food. 20 years, no joke. That's a long time. That's an accomplishment. Yeah, 2 scores right there. 10, 10, 20. Yeah. Fanny, good morning to you. And Joan, your lovely daughter. She gave me that presidential wave yesterday, daughter. She came through. But, the food is great. Stopping, guys, if you don't know the spot. And the station is global. You may not stop in today because you're listening to me in Trinidad. Or you may not stop in today because you're listening to me somewhere in London over the pond. But whenever you come to Connecticut and you're in New Britain, you got to stop. Taste of the Caribbean. And all my alumni over there at Central Connecticut University, great school, I attended it. Guys, yes, everybody over there, make sure all the professors go to Taste of Jamaica. It's a taste, believe me. Away from Jamaica, it's a taste. The spot, the place to be. 7 fun facts that you should know, ladies and gentlemen, every morning on the broadcast. Here it is. About 14% of the U.S. population is foreign born. Believe that. Over 44 million immigrants lives in the U.S. The U.S. processes more work visa than any other country in the world. And today's topic we're discussing early in the broadcast, Benny, how do you go about applying for work visa? All right, but the U.S. here in the United States, they process more work visa than any other country in the entire world. All right. Number 4, deportation in states can affect U.S. citizens and legal residents. Now, I don't know if you know this, guys, but they're now having these small credit card sized citizenship, documents that one should carry. First it was just a big old damn paper, and then they start giving you the passport if you travel. But now they have these small, credit card sized citizenship identification, you should call it, that I'm telling you, it's important. Pay the extra money, you renew your visa, your passport rather. You renew your passport, pay the extra money, get it. It's important. The authorities stop you, they start talking slick. They said, look, here, grab this, eat it in your face, sucker. But yeah, you should have one. All right, so again, deportation mistakes can affect U.S. citizens and legal residents. Remittance from the U.S. are the lifeline of millions globally. And I say millions. And in particular, that little pocket that we serve, the English-speaking Caribbean community, and I like to say the English-speaking American urban community, that's kind of a niche targeting that we target. A lot of us are here, live here, parents are from the islands, wherever you're from, lived here for a while, you're in a 3rd generation now, great-grandfather or grandma is from the islands, so the kids are born here, they have kids. So in the 3rd, 4th generation. But the connection is there. So people are still sending back money to the islands. And COVID proves that. I used a lot of the islands, for example, had it not been for people that were here sending money back to the islands, a lot of country would have definitely starved to death, shut down. So remittance is big. And I want to say this to you guys. You may not know this. Go do the research on this. The number 1 remittance country in the world is Israel. Again, there goes the Jewish community, right? Strong economically, right? They are. And follow very close second, a small island in the Caribbean by the name of Jamaica. They send billions back every year to their people in Jamaica. and a company they use is, for the majority of it is Western Union. But here's the story in that. How much of the money that they've sent through Western Union to Jamaica actually stays there? How much, and what does Western Union do for the island of Jamaica? Ask yourself these questions. Unlike JN, which is a Jamaica company. So my point to that is, of the two companies, which one, if you're Jamaican, you should be supporting? JN, which is Jamaica National, right? Or Western Union. I want you to make that decision yourself. All right. The NBA playoffs are watched by over 200 countries on a global scale. Social media can both help and harm immigrant communities. Know your sources. Know what you're saying. I hinted on this earlier in the broadcast when I said, look, guys, be careful what you're putting on social media. Because these days, especially if you're trying to come to the US, your biometrics is no longer the things they used to do, fingerprint or whatever, whatever. Now they're going on your social media platform to see things that you may have posted. That is not so kosher and copacetic with the U.S. beliefs. If their belief in the U.S. is not aligned, then you're not getting the visa. You could have done everything right, got everything right, and the paperwork is good, solid, you can, forthcoming, all that. You're qualified to come. Oh, no. If they think that your political views are not aligning with whatever, guys, grant you're not getting the visa. So I'm just saying to you guys, be careful. And I'm going to do a subject, as a morning topic on the issue of what is expected socially on the social media platform. And I'm beseeching these artists too. You are ones that are more targeted than ever. Be careful. All right. Word of the day again is the spy, guys. I thank you so much. I appreciate the love and support, to everyone listening. Hey, Benji, what's good, man? Good to hear from you there at Benji's Jamaican restaurant. My closing comment this morning, before I wrap up this wonderful broadcast, let me say this. It's coming from my heart. Thanks to everyone who tuned in this morning, today, for listening to me, Philip Messiah Duncan. I'm truly humbled by your presence, your support, and your energy. And your love, of course. Please tell a friend to tap in, like, follow, comment, and share my Facebook, Philip Duncan, my Instagram, Philip the Messiah Duncan page. Please, guys, I appreciate it. Your engagement helps me to reach higher and to touch more lives. And again, I say that without, being funny or coy. Your engagement, your involvement helps me to reach higher and touch more people. And remember, if you see someone down, guys, don't ever look down on them. Try to bend down, bend over, pick them up, because you just never know when you may be the one down, looking up, needing someone to pull your ass up. One more time, guys. Once more again, please. God bless you all. Have a phenomenal rest of your day, a fabulous weekend. Stay tuned, stay turned up, keep the station on all weekend. When I get out of here at 10 a.m., the station continues. Great reggae, great soca music. I got all that for you guys. And again, God bless you, man. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay remembering. It's your culture. It's your sound. It's your voice. Tell a friend again to tap in. The Messiah's left the building. I'm about to be out, guys. It's Friday. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Stay safe, too. God bless you all. What's the station, Mrs. Voice? If you listen to me online, you can hear me say?
Tropical Jamz, the station with the best variety of music.
Hey, thank you, Mrs. Voice. I'm out of here. Peace until then.
Nobody asked me about what I don't know.
That's how we wrap it up.
Ask me about how do you go.
Have a good one.
The reality
Everyone
show.
alive, love and blessing you.
I don't know nothing much about Beverly Hills. I don't know about working for the system.
I don't know
I
much.
don't know about life on Miami Beach, but know a little about the streets. Just ask me about
Ask me
Brooklyn.
about
I know the
Brooklyn.
ganja move in the streets, and when you're poor, you can't sleep.
Tropical Jamz, playing the greatest mix of reggae, dancehall, R&B, and soca music,
Hey
24/7.
guys, they put a juicy big patty,
What I don't know.
shade, franchise, whatever, in Brooklyn on Fulton Street. Let me tell you something. It's like you're in Jamaica. The damn patties are legendary. Ooh, I wouldn't dare to check it
I
out.
don't know about life on Miami
So
Beach,
guys,
but know
I'm out.
about the streets. Just
Ask about the patties.
I know the ganja move in the streets.
I'm out the
And
building.
when you're poor,
Thank you so much, everyone. Bunch of love and appreciation. Monday morning, 6 to 10 again. We do it all over, man. Have a great week. Keep the station turned up. Tropical Jams, Philip Duncan Radio. I'm out. Loving you again. Peace out.